everyone, and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today I am going to be sharing with you my favorite spring nail colors. So that is right, you guys, this is going to be more of kind of like a chilled out video. I just want to show you guys the colors that I really do plan to wear during the spring. I love the springtime. It is finally upon us, so I am super excited. So I have a bunch of polishes right here, and I want to go through them and just show you what they are, because I do think that they would be perfect for the springtime. So if you would like to see my top spring nail color picks, then keep on watching. Starting off this here, I have this one. I actually have a few from KL Polish, so we're gonna go ahead and do them first. This one right here, they are all pretty pastel shades that I did pick. Now this one is a really beautiful light lavender color. This is the shade Dream Boy, and if you can see here, it is very light. It kind of looks pink on camera, but it is a very light lavender, and it's just absolutely beautiful. I've actually not used this one before. I did paint my nails on one of the colors that I'm going to show you and I haven't used this one before, so this one will probably be my next one, I would have to guess, but I do love this one. It's very pretty. It's called Dream Boy. Next up, I have this one right here, and it is also by KL Polish, and it is in the shade Gemini, and it's this really gorgeous, very light baby yellow color. I know that she came out with this and with part of her Zodiac collection, and I love this color. I think it's so cute. It's like a very canary yellow, very light yellow, and again, it's in the shade Gemini, and I am so excited about this color. I don't know why. I just love nail polish. But this one right here, it is very light. It's very pretty. I'm excited. So this one is the Gemini shade. Next up right here, we have this gorgeous blue, and this one is called Porter Miami, and this one I believe was one of her first colors. Maybe not in her very first collection, but one of the first ones, maybe like the summer collection or something. And this one is a gorgeous kind of almost electric blue. I have worn this one before and I love it. It is quite light, but it does have a bit of depth to it. Like, it is a little bit deep. It's not like a pastel, but it is a little bit lighter than, like, it's darker than my shirt. Yeah, it's darker than my shirt, but it is still a gorgeous color. I actually think this one would be great for the spring and summertime, but I did want to put it in the list because I'm obsessed with this color, and I think it looks beautiful when the sun shines on it, and then it would look really good just during the spring and summertime. Anytime really, whatever time you want to wear any color, you can wear any color, but I do think this one will be really great in spring. Next up here, and this is the one that I'm actually wearing on my nails today, if you can see this, and then on the ring fingers right here, I have the Live Love Polish in the shade Tidal Wave. And then so this one right here is called St. Clair, and it is this very gorgeous pastel kind of baby blue color. It is very light, so I did only use 2 coats. Again, with all KL polishes, I actually find that 2 coats is all you need, and it doesn't get stringy or goopy or anything like that, so I do love the formula on KL polish. So this one right here is again called St. Clair, and it is just a gorgeous baby blue. So if you are looking for a really nice baby blue, I would highly recommend this one. Moving away from KL Polish, now I have one from OPI, and this one's actually probably the darkest one between this one and this one that I'll show you in a minute. But this one is called OPI, and it is their shade in Go With The Lava Flow. They always have really interesting names to their polishes. But this one right here is definitely a pink, but if you can see this, it has like orange kind of reflex all throughout it, and it looks kind of like a lava. That didn't make any sense. It kind of looks like lava if you like stir it up. Like, I get where they were going with this, but it is very pretty. Like, look, you see that in there? Like, can you see the orange mixed in with everything? Ugh, it's just so pretty. I do love this shade, and I cannot wear it for a part of spring. Next up, we have this one from the I Love Nail Polish brand, and this one is in the shade On Location, and it is this gorgeous coral orange color. Again, it kind of looks similar to this one, but this one is far more pink. This one's a lot more coral toned and orange. Now with these, the reason that I have this in here, I know that this can be a little bit of a darker color, but you do have to apply more than 2 coats, normally like 2 to 3, maybe even 4, depending on how crazy you want to get. But they are quite sheer, but the thing is that they're holographic. They're holographic nail polishes, and that's what you're supposed to do more than like 2 coats. You can do how many ever you want. You can just do 1 if you want to. But on this nail right here, on these, I have 3 coats of the Tidal Wave shade on just to build up that pigmentation and the holographic color. It just makes it really, really pretty. But again, this one, no matter how much you put on, it'll just be this really gorgeous fiery kind of pastel orange, and it's absolutely stunning. I have worn this shade and I love it. And last one, you guys, I have this I Love Nail Polish brand nail polish in these, I almost said style, in the shade Kiss and Tell. And this one is one of my favorite pinks. I don't wear pink all that often, but look at that. Look at that freaking shift. The holographic is just, it's gorgeous. And I have actually worn this shade too. I was trying to remember if I had or not, but I have worn this shade as well, and it's absolutely stunning. Especially under like light, like sunlight. It looks so, so pretty. I'm in love with it. I think it's beautiful. I cannot wait to wear this during the spring. Enough said. I love it. So yes, you guys, that has been my spring nail polish color recommendations. Of course, you can wear whatever color that you want to during the spring, during any season. You do not have to stick to pastels or anything like that. These are just colors that I thought would look really good in the spring season. But I really hope that you did enjoy this video, you guys. If you did, then go ahead and click up that like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see other videos that I post and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!